you're watching this video, you probably can't be here. Varial heel flip, front shove, heel flip. Today's a crappy day, so I haven't done much. I'm gonna just do a trick kick on V-heels. A nice day outside. Let's get it. So, foot placement. There we go. Foot placement for varial heel flip. What you want to do is you turn my hand, your front foot. For instance, if it's goofy, you want your front foot right there, just like that. And then if with your back foot, you want it right there, kind of like at an angle too. And then as if you were gonna do a 360, like 360 front. And for instance, if you're regular, you want your front foot like that, kind of up, kind of to the regular people. They have more power in their face in the front foot. But I'm more better at teaching goofy things. Your back foot right there at an angle, just like goofy, just different size.
So like opposite? Like opposite?
Yeah. And then I'm gonna show you right here. Alright, here's how you want your front foot. You really want it to hang off, because you really gotta get that front foot flip. I'll show you that after here. And then for your back foot, you kind of want it like right there. Not at an angle, not at an angle as much. So like, just like that. And just kind of right there. So you have that pop. That pop. That's what you really want to focus on too. Just put those two things in your given. And that's what the trick is. So next we have how to do the trick. I'm going to show you two tricks that we'll just pop some tricks and show you the tricks that you're supposed to have when you try to learn the varial heel flip. So, one, front side shove it, like this, like that. Number two, you're going to need heel flips. Heel flips, people. Start getting it. Oh my god, I was gonna do that. But yeah, just those two tricks, and then if you haven't got time to learn those two tricks, go learn those tricks before you keep watching the video. It's gonna be real hard. You keep getting very heel flips. I wonder why. Because you can't front side shove it, you can't V-heel. I mean, not V-heel, but you can't heel flip. So if you do learn V-heels and all that stuff, props to you. So yeah, I'm about to show you how to do the V-heel. Alright, last step. And this is V-heel. Like, I'm gonna show you how to pop it and flip it and get it around and land it. First step, don't be scared to crouch down. You have to learn how to crouch down and take things. If not, that's how you're gonna meet your demise. It'll look cool if you don't, but like, you still want to crouch down and give you that power. Don't be scared. Don't be like, I'm gonna be a poser and I'm gonna do it. Just crouch down. Just kick. So crouch down, like knees bent. Once your knees all the way bent, and then you're gonna pop. You're gonna push that way. You're gonna push out like that, as if you're doing a front shove. And then with your front foot, as it's doing that, it's gonna slide off. Like out here, as I said, kind of at an angle, just get off and get that foot motion. So it's gonna go like that, come around, see the grip tape, land it. And I'm gonna pop these two kind of like that. Like that. And like this. Pay attention how my feet is. Like I said two, you idiot. So now, what you're gonna do is varial heel flip. Actually do it. The trick. Okay.
first time.
Here we go. And yep. I taught you heel flip. Now that you know how to do, not heel flips, but very heel flips, you could be a real thug. You go out in the streets, start mobbing, and do varial heel flips into manuals, varial heel flips into, I don't know, like downstairs. I don't care. Any possibilities are endless. So, I'm out. Start thugging. Hey!